floor is sinking. It's been sinking over the decades. They did float the floor to make it level a couple decades ago, but within the last 5 to 10 years, we've been noticing a gradual sinking again.
Our schools are aging, some to the point that replacing them is more cost efficient than renovating their deteriorating infrastructure to comply with current building codes. Other aging schools need major mechanical, structural, plumbing, and electrical repair work.
Heating and cooling, that's kind of a big deal. It really impacts our kids' ability to learn.
I used to teach in this classroom right here, and the carpet, I believe, is pretty much the same as when I taught. The walls, everything is nearly identical. And as we all know, our buildings need to be revitalized so that they can meet the current standards and provide the best possible environment for our kids.
This February, the Kelso School Board is asking you to consider a bond measure that addresses 6 areas of need in our district. Learn more at wearekelso.org. Please vote by February 13th.